Hey, hi there, Manish here. So I saw that you're looking for someone who can assist you with Amazon Seller Central automations. So yes, I can do it. I have extensive experience working with Amazon APIs as well as different kind of automation workflows creation. And there are two ways we can handle this. So first, we can directly work with Amazon Seller Central APIs, and second, we can go with something called Make.com or Zapier. So these are the apps where the Seller Central APIs are already integrated, and we can build almost any kind of automation workflows over there. So let me quickly showcase you my own experience, how I did different business automations using Make.com and Zapier. So over here, this client is coming from USA, and they we created many automations for them using Make.com. So this platform is called Make, and over here, like Amazon Seller Central module is available by default. So for example, if you just wanted to go with this, there are two triggers. We can watch orders, watch order updates, as well as we can work with catalogs, product pricing, orders, reports, document, and even we can directly make any sort of API call from here itself. So we are like watching new orders and then listing them, and finally adding that to a Google Sheet. Secondly, in case if you wanted to create a monthly report or these kind of things, we can directly work with Amazon APIs. So it is Amazon API to generate authentication token, and then the authentication token is used on the selling partner API on Amazon. So extracting this entire information and adding data into Google Sheets for the reporting purpose. Similarly, over here, this Amazon Seller Central order data is getting into Microsoft SQL. So for the reporting purpose for Microsoft Power BI, we are adding data into SQL servers. Over here, let's say again one more example. So where this entire Amazon Seller Central orders are getting synced into QuickBooks QBO. So over here, watching new orders, then listing all the line items of those orders, then QuickBooks, creating a customer inside QuickBook, listing down all the items from Seller Central, and finally created an invoice as well as general vouchers into QuickBooks. So yeah, these kind of automations I can build for you for your requirement. So let me know if this excites, and the possibilities are endless. So we can work with almost any of the Amazon Seller Central API endpoints. I would love to jump on a call with you to understand more about your requirements, and then we can define a plan to develop these automations. So thank you very much. Looking forward to hear from you. Good day. Bye.